very seriously and emotionally.
All right, let's see.
I think I found. Let's see. This would be Act 3, Scene 5.
It's up on the screen, David.
Well, I was going to try to find the video.
Oh, gotcha. But Jake, I did just want to say the first time you and I tried this scene with the ha, you sort of chuckled.
Uh-huh.
Um, how about just an idea, throwing it out there? It might be more like, okay, the love of his life just asked him to kill his best friend. How, or one of his best friends, like that would make your stomach drop. It'd be like, ah, not for the wide world. So
Yeah, depending on
right,
how he plays it, how he takes it.
exactly. So yeah, do what you think is best.
Because sometimes, depending on I mean, these are soldiers. I was a
Yeah.
soldier. Sometimes soldiers laugh at very weird times for awful reasons, and that
Wow.
would add. It would make it very um, realistic in that way. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? But I'm not. I'll see how it feels. It may not feel right, and it may be more like what you're saying. But I don't think that it's inappropriate to be like, when it's like, oh, somebody asked me to kill my best friend. Like that would be one of those things that a soldier might, uh, internalize in a different way than a guy that works at a bakery.
Sure.
You know,
Sure. Thank you for sharing that. That's
yeah.
really really interesting.
All right, so let's. Is that Lady Beatrice? Have you wept all this while? Is that the first line? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Here we go. Lady Beatrice, have you wept all this while?
Yea, and I will weep a while longer.
I'll not desire that.
You have no reason. I do it freely.
Surely I do believe your fair cousin is wronged.
How much might the man deserve of me that would right her?
Is there any way to show such friendship?
A very even way, but no such friend.
May a man do it?
It is a man's office, but not yours.
I do love nothing in the world so well as you. Is that not strange?
Uh, Strange as the thing, I know not. It were as possible for me to say, I loved nothing so well as you. But believe me not, and yet I lie not. I confess nothing, nor I deny nothing. I am sorry for my cousin.
By my sword, Beatrice, thou lovest me.
Do not swear by it and eat it.
I will swear by it that you love me, and I will make him eat it that says I love not you.
Why then, God forgive me.
What offense, sweet Beatrice?
You have stayed me in a happy hour. I was about to protest I loved you.
And do it with all thy heart.
I love you with so much in my heart that there is none left to protest.
Come, bid me do anything for thee.
Kill Claudio.
Not for the wide world.
You kill me to deny it. Farewell.
Tarry, sweet Beatrice.
I am gone though I am here. There's no love in you. Nay, I pray you, let me go.
Beatrice,
In faith, I will go.
we'll be friends first.
You dare easier be friends with me than fight with mine enemy?
Is Claudio thine enemy?
Is he not approved in the height of villain that hath slandered, scorned, dishonored my kinswoman? Oh, that I were a man! What? Bear her in hand until they come to take hands, and then with public accusation, uncovered slander, unmitigated rancor. Oh God, that I were a man! I would eat his heart in the marketplace.
Hear me, Beatrice.
Talk with a man out at a window, a proper saying.
Nay, but Beatrice.
Sweet hero, she is wronged. She is slandered. She is undone.
Beatrice.
He is now as valiant as Hercules that only tells a lie and swears it. I cannot be a man with wishing. Therefore, I will die a woman with grieving.
Tarry, good Beatrice, by this hand, I love thee.
Use it for my love some other way than swearing by it.
Think you in your soul the Count Claudio hath wronged Hero?
Yea, as sure as I have a thought or a soul.
Can you do that one more? I think I have a connection issue on my end, and it probably didn't record.
Absolutely. Yea, as sure as I have a thought or a soul.
Enough. I'm engaged. I will challenge him. Enough. I am engaged. I will challenge him. I will kiss your hand and so leave you. By this hand, Claudio shall render me a dear account. As you hear of me, so think of me. Go, come for your cousin. I must say she is dead, and so farewell. Nice.
How'd that go?
I like that. That was great.
Cool.
I enjoyed that.
Good. Alrighty. Let me find.
Yeah, that was good.
Thanks, David. Any critiques, David? Third person?
No, I really liked it. I was like,
Sweet.
man, I wish I got that emotional in my readings.
Well, I think Antonio does.
At a word, I am not.
There was the one, I forget the scene the other night. It was just so good. It was like, I don't know. You were talking about Hero, I think.
Oh, it was when I was doing Claudio mocking
You were
Benedict,
getting hot and bothered. That was so good. Like, that was good. Oh, I really enjoyed that.
I love the way you
that was a
did
fun one.
the farewell, hero.
That was so good.
P.S. There is a part with Antonio that does get emotional where he's like
just skimming through that. Yeah.
Yeah, he's in this tirade, and Leonardo's like, my brother's like, no, don't you worry about it. My brother, no, don't you. It's just so funny.
That's gonna be a hard voice to keep that with that emotion, so I'm gonna practice that one a fair bit.
All right, I'm trying to hunt down Claudio and Benedict.
It was later in that same scene.
Actually, it's later on. It's after Leonardo and Antonio. Oh, you're saying that scene with Antonio
The Antonio
and Leonardo.
scene, yeah.
Got it. Okay. Yes. Here he is, Benedict. Shall I speak a word in your ear? Here we go.
All right.
All right. Excellent.
I'm still trying to find it in my scripts because I don't have to squint as much.
Sure.
All right. Enter Benedict. Okay. Yep.
I can play Don Pedro.
Okay.
Okay. CC, here comes the man we went to speak. Oh, sorry. CC, here comes the man we went to seek.
Now, senor, what news?
Good day, my lord.
Welcome, senor. You are almost come to part almost a fray.
We have had liked it. We had like to have had our two noses snapped off with two old men without teeth.
Leonardo and his brother. What thinkest thou? Had we fought, I doubt we should have been too young for them.
In a false quarrel, there is no true valor. I came to seek you both.
As I am an honest man, he looks pale. Art thou sick or angry?
Shall I speak a word in your ear? You're a villain. I jest not. I will make it good how you dare with what... I will make it good how you dare.
Jake?
What?
Can you start that part over? I heard the audio clip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall I speak a word in your ear? You're a villain. I jest not. I will make it good how you dare, with what you dare, and when you dare. Do me right, or I will protest your cowardice. You have killed a sweet lady, and her death shall fall heavy on you. Fare you well, boy. You know my mind. My lord, for your many courtesies, I thank you. I must discontinue your company. Your brother, the bastard, is fled from Messina. You have among you killed a sweet and innocent lady. For my lord Lackbeard there, he and I shall meet. Until then, peace be with you.
He is in earnest.
In most profound earnest, and I'll warrant you, for the love of Beatrice,
And hath challenged thee.
most sincerely.
Well done, y'all.
Very nice. Very nice.
All right. Further down, there's another just Benedict and Beatrice bit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this
Ursula
part's
pops
so. What?
Ursula pops up.
Yeah,
as
Ursula
well.
pops up at the end of it. Will you come presently? So, this part's so cute. All right. Shall we give it a shot?
Can you roll down through here? Let me just
Absolutely.
scroll. So let me see where this one's going. Okay.
It's where they're like bantering, not meanly, but like with each other now that they like each other.
Okay.
And that's it.
All right. Okay.
It's pretty short.
Okay. The God of love that sits above and knows me, how pitiful I deserve. I mean in singing, but in loving, Leander the good swimmer, Troilus the first employer of panders, and a whole book of these quondam carpetmongers whose names yet run smoothly in the even road of a blank verse. Oh, why, they were never so truly turned over and over as my poor self in love. Mary, I cannot show it in rhyme. I've tried. I can find out no rhyme to lady but baby, an innocent rhyme for scorn, horn, a hard time, for school, fool, a babbling rhyme, very ominous endings. No, I was not born under a rhyming planet, nor I cannot woo in festival terms. Sweet Beatrice, wouldst thou come when I called thee?
Yea, signor, and depart when you bid me.
Oh, stay but till then.
Then is spoken. Fare you well now. And yet, ere I go, let me go with that I came for, which is with knowing what hath passed between you and Claudio.
Only foul words, and thereupon I will kiss thee.
Foul words is but foul wind, and foul wind is but foul breath, and foul breath is noisome, therefore I will depart unkissed.
Thou hast frighted the word out of his right sense, so forcible is thy wit. But I must tell thee plainly, Claudio undergoes my challenge, and either I must shortly hear from him, or I will subscribe him a coward. And I pray thee now, tell me, for which of my bad parts didst thou first fall in love with me?
For them all together, which maintains so politic a state of evil that they will not admit any good part to intermingle with them. But for which of my good parts did you first suffer love for me?
Suffer love, a good epithet. I do suffer love indeed, for I love thee against my will.
In spite of your heart, I think. Alas, poor heart. If you spite it for my sake, I will spite it for yours, for I will never love that which my friend hates.
Thou and I are too wise to woo peaceably. And now tell me, how doth your cousin?
Very ill.
And how do you?
Very ill too.
Serve God, love me, and mend. Here comes one in haste.
Madam, you must come to your uncle. Yonder's old coil at home, it is proved my lady hero hath been falsely accused. The prince and Claudio mightily abused, and Don John is the author of all, who is fled and gone. Will you come? Presently. Will you go to hear this news? Sorry. Will you go hear this news, signor?
I will live in thy heart, die in thy lap, and be buried in thy eyes. And moreover, I will go with thee to thy uncle's. Very nice.
All right, this part's really short. We could get some
Yeah,
bits of
let's-
David in here.
Yeah, we could probably do this one.
Actually, I need to get. Yeah, let's. This might need to be my last one.
Okay.
But yeah, let's do this one.
I think that this also.
Lord
I think
is,
this last one we have the personnel for.
Yeah. You want to reprise Don Pedro, Brittany?
Sure, why not?
And then a Lord. Has this character been anywhere before this?
Not that I know of.
So monument. Okay. Okay. So that's just the one little line from him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You ready? Actually, how do you pronounce? Is it epitaph?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And you're still sounding just a pinch quiet.
I'll turn myself up a bit. Although my gain's pretty high, but oh well. We'll try this now. Oh,
That's
wow.
wonderful.
That's a huge difference. I barely turned that.
The old gain knob, man. It's a game changer.
A game changer.
That's weird because I had it pretty high up, turned it a bit more high up, and I really hear myself in my ears now. It's a little disconcerting. All right. Is this the monument of Leonardo?
It is, my lord.
Epitaph. Done to death by slanderous tongues was the hero that here lies. Death, in guerdon of her wrongs, gives her fame which never dies. So the life that died with shame lives in death with glorious fame. Hang thou there upon the tomb.
Thanks to you all. And leave us. Fare you well.
Good morrow, masters. Each his several way.
Come, let us hence, and then to Leonato's we will go.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yep. I think we could leave it there.
Yeah.
I mean,
got
we
some
could.
chunks out. We made progress.
Yeah, we made progress.